Had a knock on the door this morning to say that my car had been found in an insecure position. So I've just come down to the lockup, the secure lockup, and indeed there has been a break-in and that car's been stolen. By the looks of things, they've got in through this window here, broken that window, and then jemmied that door open. So inside they've been able to use the emergency gates, so the emergency chain to get out. Just had a call from the police to say that they've found my car, which has been dumped in this stream after 3-year restoration. What a sad end. We'll close the door. Oh, maybe not. That door's not closing. It's they've obviously snapped off the bit here. This is obviously all stuff that they've stolen from the unit where this car was supposedly securely stored. So this is all a whole load of stuff here that looks like they've robbed from that warehouse. So we are just going to head back to the crime scene. To steal that car, they would have had to have come through here. There's CCTV on the gate. They would have had to have cropped the padlock. Maybe a chain of a padlock in here. Maybe they've chucked it in the bushes somewhere, who knows. We're going to see if this Land Rover here has the ability to pull that Mercedes out of the ditch. Personally, I doubt it, but we'll give it a red hot go. The alternative is that the CSI will take it to their yard, or recovery truck will take it to the police recovery yard, and it will be sitting outside for however many weeks, and that's not going to do the car any favours. So we'll see how it goes. You know as well as I know the chances of pulling that out of there with a Land Rover are zero, but stranger things have happened.
I think you'd be surprised.
Really?
Yeah. That'll piss out of there, mate.
Good luck, my son. Just taking it out of gear and put the steering lock on, and I reckon what will happen is that rear towing hook will just be ripped off the back of the car.
It might not be that bad, mate.
I love your confidence.
The engine and everything looks fine.
Pardon?
The engine all looks good. New bonnet, some new wings.
Twisted.
It hasn't gone in there with an awful lot of force, has it?
I don't know, we'll have to see. Maybe I'll be able to drive it back, Ben.
You might have just put, you wouldn't have driven it in there, you'd have pushed it in there, wouldn't you? You wouldn't sit in there, would you?
No, exactly.
It's just that impact that's just...
Well, you might be right. I love your confidence and optimism.
Mate, it's all good.
Come on, look at the bright side. Good luck, Ben. And hope your wife knows you've got a living room carpet under there. We've got backup as well. Plan A and Plan B. Rob digging. Ben's on carpet. Any minute now they're going to wonder what I'm actually doing in all of this.
So when we're pulling together, if you stand over there and give us real clear hand signals, like that.
Yeah.
I think because I can't actually see Ben.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah.
Come on.
Spinning on me.
Keep it going.
That lady over there said she lives around here, said she heard somebody racing around at 1 o'clock in the morning, which is when the car was stolen. So maybe this is where they come and go boy racing, who knows. I mean, you got to look on the bright side. That towing hook there has not been pulled off yet. I expected that to come flying off and take someone's eye out. I'm going to just try it with a longer tow rope to see if we get this landy with more wheels on the tarmac. It's so wet and muddy here.
Keep going.
Keep going!
And again.
Plan C. Gonna try jacking the front up. See if that makes a blind bit of difference. Right, wow. What did they say?
Roll into that bit of a dip there now.
5th time lucky, yeah?
You happy?
Give it some
I
welly,
just
Ben.
don't like the angle though.
The cavalry to the rescue here, hopefully with a set of keys. How was it? Okay, so we're going to use Rob's van and Ben's Landy and see if that makes any difference at all. Plan F now, we're going to try and jack the front of this car, see if we can get it level. There's just no traction up there, it's so wet and slippery. Even with 2 vehicles, we're not able to pull this out. We're jacking this car up. To build a little platform, ideally, we need to go still higher, but maybe we'll be okay. 50th time lucky. You feeling confident, Rob?
Yeah.
To give up, but we're not able to pull this car out the ditch. I'm half tempted to fire it up and see if we can drive it out, but that'll probably do more harm than good. So we're going to see if we can get a proper recovery vehicle, maybe with a winch or something like that, to winch it on.
So you don't think you can help us, no?
I don't, yeah, I'm trying to think of a solution a minute, but
Yeah, okay.
yeah, pulling with a car is not, yeah, like you say, it's not nothing like pulling with a winch.
Is the winch more powerful? Than
Plan D, E, F, wherever we are, these guys have built massive, great big tow trucks with winches, and that's the way we're going to go. So let's see what the professionals have got to say about it. You've probably done this before a few times around here, haven't you?
Yeah.
Let's come to have a look.
Come on. You handbrake on.
No,
Sorry?
we're running out of letters of the alphabet, but we're going to try actually pulling it out that way, because the trouble is the car's sliding in this way. Is it because the front tyres are maybe caught on the bumper?
all the wheels are turning.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks bad, but it might not be as bad as all that, right?
I love you optimism and what you mean, like twisted chassis, frame,
But it's only
front
that,
cross member.
it's only that impact, isn't it?
Yes, maybe. I mean,
It's not like it's been driving at 40 miles an hour into a wall, is it?
yeah, I suppose. Love your optimism, Ben. Should probably drive straight home, I reckon.
Yeah.
I thought it was a hard job redoing those last set of headlights, but I think I've got more work cut out if this car's ever to drive again. But the fender is bent in against the wheel, and making it really hard to actually
There we go.
steer the car.
That should be enough.
There we go.
Can you do that with the rest of the wing and see if you can get it all straight again for me?
We're panel beat Willies. The battery's good.
Battery's good.
Should be for that price. They'll probably start right up, this car. The fan belt's gone on it, snapped on it.
Why not? Nah, surely not.
Got it out of there, and I reckon the people who drove it in there just walked past us. We are home sweet home, or lock up sweet lock up. Just before we end this video, we can have a little closer look at what damage there is to this car, which is substantial. It's going to need 2 new wings, lights, bumpers, radiator, this section here, bonnet grille. We're looking at, I don't know, £15,000, I would imagine, to put that right. I'm going to leave this video here, talk to the insurance company, see what they have to say.